Welcome back to Dream Car, the place where style meets performance and innovation comes alive on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year, the 2026 Mazda CX-5. Mazda has consistently delivered when it comes to design, driving dynamics, and premium touches at a competitive price point, and the all-new 2026 CX-5 is no exception. In fact, it might just be the most refined version yet. Mazda has taken a bold step forward with the 2026 CX-5 by pushing it further upmarket while maintaining its reputation for fun-to-drive performance and stunning aesthetics. Right from the first glance, the exterior demands attention. The updated Kodo design philosophy is sleek and dynamic, featuring sharper lines, a more prominent front grille, and slim LED headlights that give it a distinctly upscale presence. The rear end has also been refined with a minimalist look, integrated taillights, and a more sculpted bumper that adds to the premium feel. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 offers a variety of powertrain options. Drivers can choose between an efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and Mazda's advanced Skyactiv X engine that blends the best of gasoline and diesel efficiency. For those wanting more power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter variant remains a thrilling choice. And in keeping with the times, a hybrid version is now part of the lineup, offering improved fuel economy and lower emissions, a smart move by Mazda as the industry leans into electrification. Step inside, and you'll quickly notice that Mazda continues to blur the line between mainstream and luxury. The cabin of the 2026 CX-5 is nothing short of impressive. High-quality materials, including available Nappa leather and real wood trim, elevate the experience. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, featuring a larger, high-resolution infotainment screen positioned prominently at the top. The updated infotainment system is more responsive than ever and comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a redesigned rotary controller for intuitive operation. Comfort and practicality have also seen improvements. The seats are more supportive, rear legroom has been increased, and sound insulation has been enhanced to give passengers a more refined and quiet ride. Whether you're commuting or taking long road trips, the 2026 CX-5 promises a relaxing experience for everyone on board. Safety is another strong point, as Mazda continues to equip the CX-5 with a full suite of iActiveSense safety features. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. There's also a 360-degree camera system in higher trims, making parking and tight maneuvers a breeze. Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but Mazda is expected to keep it competitive, offering great value for money. With its striking looks, improved powertrains, and near-luxury interior, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is shaping up to